Call me Mr. Been There, Done That. Top model chick to your everyday hood, yeah. Less than all, but more than a few. But I've never met one like you, yeah.
Been all over the world, done a little bit of everything, little bit of everywhere, with a little bit of everyone. All the girls I've been with, things I've seen, it takes much to impress. But sure enough, their glow, it makes their souls stand out from all the rest. Baby, I can be enough, but I just don't know, girl. Baby, one thing that's for certain, whatever you do is working. All the girls don't matter in your presence, can't do what you do. There's a million girls around, but I don't see no one but you. You're so one in a million, you are. Baby, you're the best I ever had, best I ever had. And I'm certain that there ain't nothing better, there ain't nothing better than this. You're not a regular girl, you don't give a damn about the look. Talking about I can't do for you what you can do for yourself. Even though that ain't so, baby, cause my don't know how to end. But that independent thing, I'm with it, all we do is win, baby. Said I just don't know. Baby, one thing that's for certain, whatever you do is working. Other girls don't matter in your presence, can't do what you do. There's a million girls around, but I don't see no one but you. Girl, you're one in a million, you are. Baby, you're the best I ever had, best I ever had. And I'm certain that there ain't nothing better, nothing better, baby. One in a million, you are. Baby, you're the best I ever had, the best I ever had. And I'm certain that there ain't nothing better, nothing better than this.
Diamond girl, yeah, the only one in the world. She's one of a kind, she's mine.
Ooh, all that I can think about is what this thing could be. Future baby.